Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamualaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here, and today is the time to fly this ME262 from Dynam. Comparing the quality of Dynam from FMS, there's a day and night difference right here. When I received the plane, it was kind of beat up box, so I still have my rudder a little bit bent. The things that I have shown in a build video, all those issues. The landing gears are really dancing type, very soft. And the thing is that they put all the electric speed controllers, both of them right here, means it's gonna be very, very hot. You can see how we are sweating. So I'm not very confident about it, how hot the ESCs will be. I'm flying it with 5,300 milliamp to balance the CG. I have cut him a hole. Sorry for the language. We have cut him a hole in the back so that the holes that we cut on the front, inside the guns, these nozzles, to let the air flow. Otherwise, you knew that the air will get stuck inside without having a hole to get it out. One servo was bad when it arrived, so I had to use one of my own servo, and also the elevators are a little bit bent. So, all these issues, I don't know. Let's see if it flies or we crash. We will follow fly hard and crash harder, right?
Yeah. Yeah, the radio said it.
Okay, CG looks fine. Yeah, CG is fine, and the turbines, I mean the EDF are not that balanced, I think. So anyway, let's see how it goes. Come on, Arishadi, to the side. Stay safe. You still have 2 bits?
Landing. Crash landing.
Okay, both turbines are working in the right direction. Here we go. One elevator looks a little bit up compared to the other one. I'll just bend it down a bit. It's not up, it's just bent. All right, runway is clear. Whoa, that doesn't sound normal then.
It sounds like it has a cold.
Yeah, and I think I should put the whistles inside, the 120 decibel whistle.
That's the
Okay.
sound of death.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's either a crash or a flight.
We'll fly, we'll fly.
But I'm not sure how well.
Do it. Yeah.
It actually took off itself.
Beautiful.
Elevator, there's a lot of up elevator.
Uh-oh. Front landing gear didn't came up.
Oh, front landing gear didn't go in? Okay, let's put all the landing gears out. I'm not worried, we have 2 turbines to land on.
Yeah. It's better that it didn't came up than it didn't come down.
Uh-oh, the front landing gear is still sticking out. It glides super nice, man.
It glides?
Yeah, it glides
Oh, nice.
super nice. All landing gears out. Only front is out. It's stuck.
It's going to be... No, there. You have 3 down, yeah?
Yeah, I put all down anyway. We'll see what's happening and then we will... Let's land it maybe, how about it?
Yes.
Man, it flies nimble and nice, so
Yeah,
gentle.
It flies nice, yeah?
Flies very, very good.
Like a big sled, yeah. All right. Sweet. Hot but sweet.
Stop!
Brakes!
Stop! Okay,
Success.
successful
Like
flight. Let's fix the front landing gear.
AliShanMao never crashes.
No, I do, man. My crashes are mostly very funny.
It's like the landing gear is pointing in, right?
Yeah, but it should be fine actually. I'm not sure what's happening with the front landing gear. One moment. It doesn't want to budge actually. It feels like that. Oh, this one is also not going in now. Not only one.
No, they are dispensable. They want
One by
only
one.
one fly. Yeah.
Okay, let me restart everything. ESCs are hot, but But the way it's flying so nice, it's like I don't even have to give it too much throttle. On a very low throttle, it's flying very nice.
That's very nice. Yeah.
So
Your battery is a little pregnant.
yeah, it's the battery somebody
Is it
sent me.
hot?
Remember?
One.
Hot?
Yeah. When this start, when this go down, what will happen?
Oh, do you think the landing gear burnt? Unfortunately, the landing gear decides to give up. Welcome to Dynam quality. So I have left the landing gear down permanently. At least we can fly and enjoy. Flies very well. I have added a little down trim because it just got up very quick on the very first flight. We don't want it to get up too quick. Much better now.
It goes up like a rocket, huh?
It actually should go like a rocket. Need more down trim. Holy shit, how much down trim I need? It's because that elevator was really bent when it arrived. Now it's locked in. Kids, watch it! Arishadi, don't be on the runway, okay? See the sound of two,
This is cool, huh?
yeah, two ducks. It's like a humming one. Will it stall? At what speed it will stall? That's the question.
Yeah, but I will go higher if you...
And it flies at the speed which German ME262 used to fly, right?
It flies really scale, actually.
Beautiful, man.
If you put a P-51 next to it, it's going to be nice.
Ooh, responses. Man, responses on rudder.
That's nice.
I have to just change the retracts, add new retracts, do something about the elevator trims and everything.
You definitely need onboard footage from this plane, huh? You need to put a camera.
Yeah, definitely. See, it's actually cruises on 50% throttle.
That's great. And it's 4S only, yeah?
It's only 4S. So the Dynam airframe is good, but their electronics,
You just need to buy a set of decent electronics with the kit.
definitely, you need to get servos. Their servos are really crappy. We have seen the landing gears are really crappy. ESCs are good enough, but you have to put them in the wings, exposing the heat sinks.
Yeah, yeah.
Now let me land because it's a hot day and I don't want ESCs to burn, right?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
All right. Hey, stay away, man. Don't get too close to me. Whoa, the response on rudder is amazing, man. Speed is good enough, man. Speed is very, very good. Here we come for landing. Some people said you need flaps, and I said, really, you don't need flaps.
No.
You just cut down the throttle. Just glide it down.
If you're a decent pilot, you don't know. There you go.
See, that was like smooth as stuff. And land again. Look how beautiful it's tracking now, actually.
Yeah, I'm amazed at how we touch on the runway.
Thank you.